So I'm cutting up some of these leftover pallets to the 11 and 12 inch lengths, and then I'm stacking them up over here. And this is the drop in the bucket compared to what we'll need to clad this cement structure on 4 sides. But it's a start. I could cut that if you want me to. It's our vapor barrier install. And we're leaving it unattached in this corner in case we need to put a radon removal or remittance over there in the corner.
No thanks.
This is for the sink. That is for the toilet. This is the main drain. That is going to be for the toilet upstairs. And that over there is for the shower. That one right there is for the shower. And this one over here that's coming will be attached with a 2-inch, will be for the washing machine.
And it goes straight out to the septic out
Right,
there.
it goes straight out to the septic. So we bought 2 more windows. This one, which I'm thinking is about 18 by 2. Let me see, it says right there it's 22 by 33 and a half. So good size window. And then we bought this one, which is 34 by 15. So we're not sure where we're going to put them. I just painted them black, so they'll be ready to be installed. And then there's this little one over here, which we think we're going to put in the downstairs bathroom window, or maybe the upstairs. We're not sure yet. But we've got 3 windows, small transom windows, for installation somewhere upstairs and downstairs. swore I would never take apart pallets again because the only way to do it is to use this metal cutting blade and use a sawzall to get under here and cut these. But I need these parts, and I gotta do it. So as painful as it is, I'm doing it. That window is going up there. The second floor is going on, and half of it is covered. You can see down there. It's dark. I'm doing the other half. They're gonna have this closed in today, they say, so very, very happy about that.